Okay. So has anyone ever ran into where they need to change their fittings? They deteriorate, the couplings are deteriorating and they need to change the fittings, and they want to keep everything in line. And if you buy the tool where you got to cut the pipe right here and then turn around and cut the crimp ring off and do all of that, then your pipe ends up being a 1/2 inch shorter. So the only way I can find to do this is to take a Dremel, something like this with the cutoff wheel, and you take the Dremel and you cut a slot into the crimp ring. Just remember that you want to make sure that you just cut enough into the crimp ring and not into the pipe. So once you get it almost there, you can usually take a flathead screwdriver like this, stick it in here, and most of the time, if it's almost there, you can take and twist it and it will break loose. We didn't go quite enough through. We'll try one more time. Now you could do this and take and cut the pipe and do it with the crimp ring tool removal, and then replace all the piping and all that, and you know, it's about the same amount of time. I just prefer to do it this way because everything is in line and I don't have to waste money on pipe and all that extra stuff. So you just take this, and like I said, you can use a pair of pliers or screwdriver, like I said, you know, works the best in my experience. Alright, so we'll cut this one also. Okay, got that one cut. We'll take the same thing, take the screwdriver, pop it loose.